Hello and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In our tutorial for today, we're going to learn how to do scrolling text in Roblox. So here I have a stage and with the back wall, and on my back wall I have added a SurfaceGui and a text label. I didn't see my text label immediately when I added it, so I went to the SurfaceGui face property and I play around with the different faces until I see the label. Some other properties that I had to change was in the text label I had to change the rotation to 90 degrees. Also, of course, I changed the position and the size of the label, and I also changed the line height. I made it 2 so that the lines are not so tight together. And then I blank out the text, so now you don't see any text on my label. If I go and add some text here, you would immediately see it on the wall. There it is. But I don't want to have any text right now, so I'm just going to leave it blank. Because we're going to go to the text label, we're going to add a script, and our script is going to write something on the wall. So local label equals to script.parent. Right, so label here is going to reference to our text label. Now to change the text label is going to be very easy. All you have to do is say label dot text, which is the property of the label, equals to whatever message you want to display on the wall. For example, hello everybody. Right, I'm just gonna put in the wait here for 25 seconds. Give me time to run to the text label. Now let's play and take a look. So there you see it. Hello everybody is displayed on the wall. The next thing we want to do is we want to change this. Instead of displaying the entire text all at once, we want to turn it into a scrolling text to display one character at a time. To do that, I'm going to write a function. So local function, let's call it scroll, and we're going to pass in a variable text. Text is going to be a string. Now we don't want to display the entire string all at once, so I'm going to declare another string in here, local current text. And now I'm going to use a for loop to iterate through my string, my text string. So for I equals to 1 comma the length of the string, which is pound, and the name of the string is text. For I equals 1 through the length of the string, do. For each iteration, I'm gonna load my current text. So I'm gonna say current text equals to text colon substring. So I'm using the substring function, and the substring function I'm going to pass in the start and the end position of the character in the string. So the first position I want is the first position, and the end position, the start position is the first position. The end position is going to be the value of I. So let's take a look. When I call with the string, hello everybody, into this function, right? Let's change this to call the function, by the way. Scroll. And then we're going to pass in hello everybody. All right? I'm going to call the function here. I'm passing in hello everybody, right? And then I'm using the for loop here to iterate through the string. So we're going to start with position 1 here, You see, it's taking the substring of this string coming in, so position 1, and it's going through I. I is 1 in the first iteration, so I'm only substring this character H into my current text. And now I'm gonna display that current text, so I'm gonna say label dot text equals to current text, and let's put in a wait of maybe 0.2 of a second. Let's go through this again. So in the first iteration, I is 1, so my substring is just the letter H. In the second iteration, I is 2, so it's gonna go from 1 to 2, so it's gonna give me HE, and HE is gonna be loaded into this label.text, and then it's displayed on the wall. In the third iteration, I is 3, so I'm gonna get HEL, and so on until the end of the string. Now instead of this hello everybody message, I'm gonna change it to make it something more interesting. So I have here 3 different messages. We start out waiting for 25 seconds, and after each message we're gonna wait for 2 seconds. Alright, let's play and take a look. So I have published the game to Roblox, and we're playing on Roblox right now. I don't see any message right yet. Oh, there it is. Hello everyone. Welcome to my house. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And there we go, guys. That's how you do scrolling text in Roblox.